Welcome, it's Kathy and I'm glad you're here. Today I want to show you a 3-minute hairstyle using a Lilla Rose Braided 8. So this is the Braided 8 that I'm going to use. This is called Tudor Rose, and this is not the hair stick that usually comes with it. There's just a plain hair stick, but I like using this one. So that just goes through like that. But I want to show you a French twist using this Lilla Rose Braided 8. So you ready? Start counting. Just gather your hair in a ponytail. Wrap it around your first finger. Just grab it up your head like that. Twist that nice and snug. Make sure you've got your twist smooth there. You take this, I have a bunch in my head, take that and lay it at the top, just like that. Take your stick, go in the hole, catch hair at your scalp, and come through the other side, and then just let it fan out a little bit. And that's it. Let me see how it looks. So that's the Lilla Rose Braided 8 in Tudor Rose. I think I made it in way less than 3 minutes. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can show you more 3-minute hairstyles with Lilla Rose. See you later. Bye.